first 747 right here.
Is it? So
Yeah,
it's
this
an
was the
old
test
one?
airplane.
It's an old one?
Yeah, I think that's the original. Yeah.
Certainly never been in one that was a jumbo, you know.
Yeah, see, they did all the testing. This is all testing equipment
Yeah.
when they were flying this airplane.
Uh-huh. So this,
That's why it's all exposed.
right, this never had passengers.
No.
This was for testing purposes.
This is exactly how it was when they were testing it. Look at all this equipment.
Wow.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Boy, he's frustrated.
He looks really frustrated.
Keep the beer in for the pilot.
Yeah, so they got kegs in there. Yeah.
Water
Interesting.
tank, simulator, passenger, and cargo weight.
Ah,
That's smart.
yeah.
Water barrels is perfect.
Yeah.
We're all 90% water.
Very true.
It's nice to have a ladder to get off.
Yeah.
That's right. It's a very nice ladder.
The gamble pays off. Oh, look at this. Carrying the air.
Oh, the space shuttle, yeah.
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 Did they put that out, or did they just?
Yeah, yeah, they had to redo the tail.
Ah.
Did you look at the tail of it? Totally
Yeah.
different. See this right here?
Yeah.
This is for aerial refueling testing.
Uh-huh.
So this is what a tanker would use. A military tanker.
Uh-huh.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So that's the boom operator would sit in that seat there,
Uh-huh.
and you see over here to the left, they manipulate that the tube that comes out to refill the airplane. Whatever you call that.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
Probably for a little while, I would think.
Yeah.
See, there's an example of it testing the refueling.
Uh-huh.